Hello friends, welcome to our string art DIY kit. So in this kit you get all the things, like you get 3 MDF pieces, 4 to 5 different templates, strings and nails, and you also get 2 paints. I've already painted it. You need to paint it and dry it, then you put your template. You can put the template with masking tape, that is optional, and we just put the masking tape so that our template doesn't move and we can nail our nails properly and easily. In the kit provided, all the things are included. You just need to arrange for few things like hammer, a pair of scissors, a paintbrush, and that's it. And now we will start nailing the nails one by one. For the people who have taken the kits for the kids, I would recommend that this step you should do it by yourself and not to be done with by the kids, and they can just put the string to the art and not the nails. It's necessary for us to hold the nails and then use hammer so that the nails go straight inside the base, or else it may get tilted and your work doesn't look as neat as needed. So now quickly I will just nail all the nails and I'll come back. It's also advisable to go one after another so that you don't hurt your nails and you get enough space for your hands to move. Now after nailing all the nails, we will remove the template. If there any tidbits are left, we can cut them with the scissors. And again, there is no worry if any tidbit is left, because it's not going to show when after doing the string art. Now we are going to tie a knot with the string. It's always preferable to tie the knot twice at least, or you can even go for thrice to make it stronger. Now while going from one needle to another, we are going to roll the string. It's better to go in the one direction, like you can see that I am going in the outside direction, or you can go in inside direction. I will show you quickly how we can go in the inside direction. It's okay if you go in the crisscross way as well, but I like doing it in one direction. As you will be doing it for the first time, your string might slip off like this. So what you can do is put your thumb after, like going from one needle to another to hold your strings, and once you go ahead it's not going to open. So here you can see that I am also doing it in the somewhere outside and inside. After doing it, you will see that it's looking a little untidy and the borders are not very clear. But it's completely okay to make mistakes in this art, because this is a very easy art, and after doing the crisscross it's not going to show. But still, just try to go in the one direction. You will see the difference when I'll be coming back again for the second part of the border. After doing the first part, like after doing inside, if you have done inside thing, we'll go outside, and if you have done outside, we'll go inside. You can see here, like while there was any crisscross, I mean from inside to outside, if we have flipped, you can see a small tiny cross like thing going. Or if we are going in the monotone, you will see a straight lines. So it's okay again, whatever you wish to do. But I would say, and while doing this, you can push your strings down like I'll show it later, like how you can do it, but you can do at this step as well. Now the most fun part begins, is like filling the center of the heart or your shape. You can choose any shape you want, and I have shown in illustration with the heart shape. Same way you need to do all the shapes. So here you can see that I have started crisscrossing it. If you want, meanwhile in between you can tie knots as well. How to tie the knots is shown at the last of the video. If it again depends upon you how dense or how shallow you need the depth of the string. If you want complete 3D effect, you can just press the strings down and crisscross it. And if you want like not much 3D and just like shallow kind of thing, you can do like this as well, but it's better to push strings down. And initially for filling the uh, center of your shape, it's better to go in opposite directions here and there, and later you can just fill the shapes whatever are left. There is no any hard and fast rule of doing the this in this way, but I prefer doing it like this. Now I'm satisfied with the denseness of my shape. Now I will like to tie a few knots here and there. I like to tie 3 to 4 knots to make my the string art stronger. Sometimes what happen, it gets tear off. The string might get tear off, so my multiple knots are going to rescue me. And trust me, that's not going to show. Just put the thread after tying multiple knots, cut the thread and put the leftover thread inside the multiple strings, so it's not going to show up. I hope you all enjoyed learning this DIY string art. If any query, you can always contact me. And please do subscribe and share. Do share your work with us. We would love to see your work. Thank you.